Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the hardest AI tools of 2025, Leonardo AI. It's not just an image generator, it can upscale, edit, and design interactively right on a canvas. And yes, we're going to explore how to use it like a pro, all with the free versions. Okay, let's get started. First, go to leonardo.ai, then click Launch Apps and just log in with your Google account. And once you're inside, you will see a powerful dashboard with amazing features like real-time, flow state, video generator, image generator, and upscaler, and many more. These apps also give you multiple high-quality variations from just a single prompt instantly. And free users will get 150 tokens daily, and then the paid plans start at $10 and will give you up to 80,000 tokens, which is awesome once you have mastered prompt writing. But don't worry, even with the free plan, you can do a lot. Okay, now let's explore the feature in this app. Let's begin with the image generations. Just click these icons and then just type your prompt or create one using ChatGPT or any other AI tools for more accurate and creative prompt. And I will type my prompt like this. And after that, you can also choose a preset or model of your image like this. Just choose one that you want. And then you can also choose the style image. This one, just choose one. In this tutorial, I will choose a model, this one. And you can also adjust the image dimensions if needed. Just choose one that you want. And if you're done with this adjustment, just click on generate. This one. And then this AI will give you 2 until 4 variations per prompt. Then just choose your favorites. Or you can also refine your prompt further to improve clarity, especially if some areas look blurry or unclear. If you wanna download the image, just click these icons. And with this image generator, you can even design banners or poster or ads. There is no design skills or extra apps needed. It's super simple and really useful to save time. Now just let's try another feature. Let's go back to the dashboard and let's try the real-time canvas. In here, you can draw or describe your idea, and these apps will generate the designs live on the right hand side. Just draw or type anything you want, and watch the canvas will respond in real time. For example, I will draw like this, and here you can choose the style of your image. I will choose a environment. I will add some lines like this, and I will type a prompt. And see, it's super interactive and fun to experiment with. Next, just try another feature again. Now let's try about upscaler. With this feature, you can upscale your blurry image by just upload your photo, and then just click upscale. And see, Leonardo AI will upscale your photo instantly. Now let's go back on the dashboard. And let's try a canvas editor. And then just upload your image. With this feature, you can add or fix some things on your photo by just drawing on any area, then type a prompt like this. And then type your prompt, then click generate. And you can choose the result that you want, like this. And then just accept. And if you are unsatisfied with the result, just change your prompt because more details and better prompt will make a better result. And okay, that's how to use Leonardo AI. Just explore it, experiment with the different prompts, and practice regularly to get better results. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.